front of me is XIAOMI 17, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, go into Themes app, and then click on Themes at the top. Now you need to decide from where you want to get your theme. You can tap on Categories, click on the search bar to type in wherever you want to, or select Home, and scroll to pick any of available ones. Unfortunately, something is wrong with my Themes app today, so I will just click on the search bar and try to look for one this way. You can either buy any theme, unlock it, or you can pick one of the free ones. Either way, when you're ready, download the best one, and if you see this pop up, tap on Don't Apply and pick something different, or hit Got It and risk it. You have a lot of themes to choose though. Let's go with this one. I will tap on Download, hit Got It to get it anyway, and then tap on Customize. Over here, for example, if you don't want to change your current icons, you can exclude this option. Then tap on Apply. I want to change my whole theme though, so I will tap on Apply anyway, over here, and wait. When you see Theme Applied pop up, you can go back to check it out. As you can see, theme of mine was successfully changed. If you want to go back to your default theme or any other downloaded one, hit Themes again, go back to main screen and choose My Account at the bottom right corner. Then select Themes at the top, tap on Default, Limitless or any downloaded one and choose Apply. Then confirm your choice by tapping again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!